But behind that tiny candy is a massive world of sugar, science, and precision. This is the wild journey of how sour gummy kids are made. Before sour gummy kids became a candy aisle icon, they began as one bold idea.
The breakthrough came when sweetness met a powerful sour coating.
That contrast turned a simple experiment into a whole new kind of candy experience.
Soon, the sour, then sweet formula was winning over candy lovers everywhere.
Today, that original idea still powers one of the most recognizable sour candy experiences in America.
Every sour gummy starts with a carefully measured liquid base.
Then comes the sugar, added in precise amounts to build the candy's signature chew.
Heat and motion transform those simple ingredients into a smooth, glossy syrup. To give gummies their bounce, the syrup is blended with a carefully prepared gelling mixture. Everything is timed, heated, and mixed to the second.
As the mixture thickens, it becomes the glossy foundation of every gummy.
Once the base is ready, it moves forward, where color and flavor bring it to life. Once the base is ready, it moves forward, where color and flavor bring it to life. Each batch is transformed into its own vivid candy personality. Then flavor concentrates are added, giving every color its own sweet identity. Next, a remarkable machine turns that liquid into thousands of tiny gummy kids.
Inside this enormous machine, thousands of perfectly shaped gummies begin to take form. Every movement is controlled with microscopic precision, ensuring every gummy is identical. Protected inside the mogul system, every mold travels through a carefully controlled forming tunnel. Once every tray is verified, the mogul system prepares them for the curing process. Before curing begins, every mold is stabilized to ensure perfectly uniform gummies. Every tray is automatically indexed before entering the controlled curing environment. With every mold perfectly aligned, the trays move into a carefully controlled environment where the gummies begin to set. Over time, the controlled environment allows every gummy to develop its signature chewy texture. Once the curing process is complete, the trays continue to the next stage, where the gummies are separated from the starch molds. After curing, the gummies are firm enough to leave their starch molds. Specialized equipment gently separates each gummy from the surrounding starch. The starch is collected, filtered, and prepared for reuse in future production. Freed from their molds, the gummies continue their journey to the finishing process. Automated inspection systems help maintain consistency before the final coating process. Now the gummies are ready for the signature coating that gives them their unforgettable sour kick. This is where every gummy gets its signature sour kick. As the drum slowly rotates, every gummy receives an even coating.
Millions of tiny crystals create the texture behind that famous first bite.
Now fully coated, the gummies are finally ready for packaging. Now fully coated, the gummies are finally ready for packaging. The final step is packaging, where every gummy is prepared for store shelves around the world. After the final quality check, the finished gummies begin their last journey inside the factory. The product is carefully distributed to maintain a steady flow through the packaging process. Each portion is accurately measured before moving to the sealing process. Every package is securely sealed to help preserve freshness. Automated inspection helps ensure every package meets quality standards. The finished packages are grouped for efficient shipping. Shipping cartons are stacked into organized pallets for distribution. From the factory floor, the finished product moves into storage before shipment. Every shipment represents thousands of carefully crafted gummies.